First, the top news headlines. Chief Minister N. Biren condemns dropping bombs on civilian population and security forces by using drones, terms it a cowardly act and an act of terrorism. Manipur Police Department constitutes high-level committee following the attack carried out by suspected Kuki militants by deploying RPGs using drones. And state has requested expertise of Delhi-based agencies including NSG to address emerging security challenge, informs Manipur DGP Rajiv Singh during his visit to drone attack sites. A very good evening. You're watching IS Prime Time English News. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren took to X and condemned the cowardly act of dropping bombs on civilian population and security forces by using drones. He termed it as an act of terrorism. He further wrote that Manipur state government takes such unprovoked assault with utmost seriousness and will take up necessary response to fight such forms of terrorism upon the indigenous population. He said the government denounces all forms of violence and the people of Manipur shall unite together against hate, division and separatism. The Manipur Police Department has constituted a high-level committee following the attack carried out by suspected Kuki militants by deploying RPGs using drones, in which one lady civilian was killed and several others including 3 police personnel were injured at Kauktruk in Imphal West District on September 1st. The high-level committee will be led by additional DGP Manipur Ashutosh Kumar Sinha as a chairman, General Office in Command of 57 Mountain Division, Lemakong, Major General SS Kartikeya, Inspector General Assam Rifles, South Major General Raprup Singh, Inspector General CRPF Manipur and Nagaland Sector Bipul Kumar, and DIG SHQ BSF CI Operation Manipur JK Virdi will be the members of the committee. In this regard, the DGP of Manipur Police has issued an order yesterday and further instructed to submit its report to him by 13th of September. In the aftermath of the recent drone attacks along the Kangchub Hill stretches in Manipur, including Kadangban, Kauktruk and Senjam Chirang in Manipur by Kuki militants, Manipur DGP Rajiv Singh, accompanied by the SP of Imphal West and the commandant of the 2nd Manipur Rifle, visited the sites of these attacks to assess the situation. Addressing the media in Kadangban Part 2, the DGP revealed that the Manipur government has sought assistance from Delhi. Despite the formation of a high-level committee to counter drone threats, the state has requested the expertise of Delhi-based agencies, including the NSG, to address the emerging security challenge posed by these drone attacks. Noting that extensive search operations are currently being conducted at 3 to 4 sites where the drone attacks occurred, the DGP stated that violence has escalated. However, the police department is taking the matter seriously. He described the drone assault as a new phenomenon that requires urgent attention and assured that the perpetrators will not be spared. Reacting to the situation, villagers have expressed frustration over the response of the central forces, accusing of their inaction during the attacks. The villagers have urged the state government to deploy more state forces in the affected areas, stating that the central forces' current approach is inadequate for addressing the crisis. The villagers also stressed the need for advanced drone countermeasures such as drone jammers to safeguard their communities from future threats. Acknowledging the gravity of the security concerns, DGP Rajiv Singh highlighted that apart from Assam Rifles, 198 companies of central forces are already deployed in the strife-torn state. However, he emphasized that more forces are needed as only state forces cannot handle the ongoing crisis. He further warned that any forces failing to perform their duties effectively would be removed from their positions. The police chief reaffirmed the commitment to restoring peace and security in the region, stating they are taking all necessary steps to ensure safety and prevent further escalation of violence.
This is a new thing which has happened, and we have already Manipur police ने पहले ही ट्वीट किया हुआ है, so it has been escalated, and we are taking it very seriously. We have spoken to everybody from here to Delhi, और वहाँ दिल्ली में भी एनएसजी से भी हम लोगों ने बात किया है, डीजी एनएसजी से बात किया है, उनकी टीम से बात किया है, प्लस और भी एक्सपर्ट्स आ रहे हैं। हम लोगों ने कमिटी भी एक बनाई है ये ड्रोन के बारे में पूरा ये पढ़ने के लिए, एंड समथिंग टू डू काउंटर करने के लिए उसको कैसे हम लोग आगे करें। आसाम राइफल एक कमेटी तो बना दी गई, बट उसके बाद भी कुछ एक्सपर्ट्स को भी हम लोग बुला रहे हैं, और जल्दी से जल्दी हम लोग कुछ इसका उपाय ढूंढेंगे। वहाँ पर हमारे पास कुछ है काउंटर के लिए, दैट ऑल्सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू डिप्लॉय, और प्लस जो हिल के एरियाज़ हैं, जो जहाँ जहाँ पर अटैक हुए हैं 3-4 जगह पे, उन सभी पे हम लोग के ऑपरेशन चल रहे हैं। कल भी हुए थे, आज भी हुए हैं, आज रिकवरीज भी हुई हैं, कल भी कुछ रिकवरीज हुई थी, तो कॉम्बिंग ऑपरेशन चलता रहेगा। तो वो बिल्कुल ही श्योर रहें कि सो एवरीवेयर कॉम्बिंग ऑपरेशन विल carry on.
Do you really condemn this such type of new things?
Obviously, who will not condemn such type? About 198 companies of central forces are here, apart from the Assam Rifle. So everybody will combine together and work and try to. Yes, there may be some complaints of some inaction or some passiveness. That we will look into it. इन्होंने भी बताया है, हम लोग जरूर देगा। अभी आपके सामने वो जो कमांडर थे उनको बताया गया है, एंड विल टेक इट अप विद द सीनियर अफसर। वो ऐसा होगा नहीं, अगर कोई एक्टिव नहीं रहेगा और इस तरह की खबर मिलेगी तो विल डेफिनेटली टेक एक्शन, चाहे वो स्टेट पुलिस का हो या सेंट्रल फोर्स का हो। अगर वो अपना काम नहीं कर रहा ठीक से, तो ऑब्वियस है कि भाई इट इज अ डिसिप्लिन फोर्स, प्रोफेशनल फोर्स है, तो उसमें तो हम लोग को ये सब करना ही पड़ता है। ऑब्वियसली वी आर गोइंग ऑल आउट अगेंस्ट देम, and we are doing our operations. I have spoken to the corps commander also. I have spoken to Assam Rifles, all IGs also, and they are also very serious. In fact, DG Assam Rifle has come today, and he is also trying his level best. So everybody combined as a team is working together along with the state government. The Honorable Chief Minister is also taking it very seriously, and he has been talking to several people on different fronts, and we are trying to take it as seriously, and whoever has done it, we will not be sparing them. Okay.
Meanwhile, the Manipur police have made significant recoveries in response to the drone attacks. Yesterday, a drone was recovered from Kharam Waifei in Kangpokpi district, a Kuki-dominated area. In a separate operation on the same day, authorities seized a cache of weapons and explosives from Kangchup Ponlen in Kangpokpi district, including 10 12-inch single-bore barrel rifles, 1 improvised mortar, 9 improvised mortar barrels, 20 galatine sticks, 30 detonators, 10 meters of fuse, 2 country-made rockets, 2 kilograms of lead shot, 94 fired cases, 5 radio sets, 5 radio set chargers, 4 radio set adapters, 2 radio set spare batteries, 4 bulletproof harness without plates, and 1 helmet. In another search operation, security forces recovered 2 SLR along with magazine, 1 .32 pistol with magazine, 25 live ammunition rounds, 2 Befang radio sets, and 2 bulletproof cover from Kaksing Lamdong, Kaksing district. The police further informed that yet drone bombing occurred at Senjam Chirang Maninglekai, Imphal West district after the incident at Koktruk of the same district. The aerial bombing at Senjam Chirang left 3 civilians injured. Security forces have been deployed in the area to repulse the attack. Women vendors of Khwairambon Imakithel took to the streets today to protest the recent drone attacks on Meitei residential areas carried out by suspected Kuki militants. The attacks, which have claimed the life of a 31-year-old woman and injured her daughter, among others, have sparked widespread outrage across Manipur. The protesters, predominantly women, marched towards the Chief Minister's bungalow, demanding immediate government intervention and a response to the escalating violence. Ibe Yaima, a member of the Khwairambon Kaitel Apun Manupi, voiced the community's deep anguish, condemning the state government's inaction. She said they cannot tolerate this genocidal mission. Drone attacks are instruments of war, and yet they are being used against the Meitei villages. She added that the silence of the state government in the face of such fierce assault is unacceptable. The protest reached a flashpoint near the Gambhir Singh Market complex on BT Road, where police forces intervened to stop the march. Tensions escalated as the women confronted the police demanding the immediate arrest of those responsible for the attacks. Protesters vowed to intensify their movement unless the government takes decisive action to apprehend the perpetrators and end the violence. A 28-year-old housewife was reportedly found dead under mysterious circumstances in Imphal West night. The woman, identified as Kundrakpam Anandi Devi, was found dead at her husband's residence in Kwakatil, Imphal West District. Following the incident, the police detained her husband, Bijoy, aged 32 years, for questioning. According to reports, Anandi's family members discovered her body hanging from the ceiling fan in her room around 6:30 p.m. She was rushed to Asian Hospital Imphal but was declared brought dead. The body has been sent to the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences Imphal for autopsy. Preliminary investigations revealed that the couple had frequent quarrels over trivial issues in the past few months. A case has been registered based on a complaint filed by Anandi's father, Kundrakpam Khogen, aged 60 years, a resident of Sagolban Hainopok, Imphal West District. The police are investigating the cause of death. In a successful operation, a combined team of Assam Rifles and Champhai police recovered 4,000 kilograms of areca nuts worth 28 lakh rupees in the general area of Darkhai Road yesterday. The operation was conducted based on specific intelligence inputs, leading to the apprehension of 2 individuals involved in the illegal transportation of the consignment. The seized areca nuts and the apprehended individuals were handed over to Champhai police for further legal proceedings. As many as 8 pilgrims were killed and 10 others injured in a road accident in Haryana's Jind district on the intervening night of Monday and Tuesday. According to the police, the accident took place on the Bidhrana-Kethal road near Bidhrana village. The 18 pilgrims from Kurukshetra's Marcheri village were traveling in a Tata Magic vehicle to go to Rajasthan's Gongam Demi. Sources said a speeding truck collided with their vehicle from behind, causing it to overturn near the Marcheri village. Station House Officer of Narawana Police Station, Kuldeep Singh, told a national news agency that 7 of the pilgrims died on the spot, while 9 were admitted to Narawana's civil hospital. 2 others received minor injuries. Those who were admitted to Narawana's civil hospital were later referred to Agroha's Maharaja Agrasen Medical College, where 1 more pilgrim died in the morning. The police are investigating the matter. In a move to bring peace and put an end to extremism, violence and conflict, Tripura government, central government and representative of National Liberation Front of Tripura (NLFT) and Old Tripura Tiger Force (ATTF) will be signing memorandum of settlement on September 4th. NLFT and ATTF are 2 banned militant outfits in Tripura. In a press statement from Ministry of Home Affairs, it said that in presence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, a memorandum of settlement to be signed among Government of India, Government of Tripura and representatives of the 2 outfits in New Delhi tomorrow. Tripura Chief Minister Professor Dr. Manik Shah and senior officials of the Ministry of Home Affairs and Government of Tripura will also be present during the signing of the Memorandum of Settlement. It added that the Ministry of Home Affairs has been working tirelessly to fulfill Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of developed Northeast free from extremism, violence and conflict. Under the leadership of Prime Minister, the government has signed 12 important agreements to bring peace and prosperity in the Northeast, of which 3 relate to the state of Tripura. Due to signing of several agreements by Modi government, around 10,000 people have given up arms and joined mainstream. Tripura BJP chief Rajiv Bhattacharjee today won the state's lone Rajya Sabha seat, which had fallen vacant after former Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb became a Lok Sabha MP. CPM candidate Sudhan Das got 10 votes, but the Congress abstained from the election. Speaking to reporters, Rajiv Bhattacharya said out of the 60 MLAs in the assembly, 57 members voted today. Out of them, he received 47 votes. He thanked legislatures of the BJP and those from their alliance partners. The Indigenous Peoples Front of Tripura and the TIPRA Motha. Bhattacharya added that he will try to contribute his part to further accelerate development for the people of Tripura by raising developmental activities which are already taken up in the state in Parliament. Bhattacharya thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda for reposing their faith in him. Shillong's Cherry Blossom Festival is set to return in 2024 with a star-studded lineup featuring some of the biggest names in music. The festival, organized by Meghalaya Tourism and Rockski EMG, has announced its first wave of performers, promising a diverse range of genres and a special focus on legendary acts. Boney M, the iconic disco group featuring founding member Maisie Williams, will make an exclusive stop in Shillong as part of their farewell tour. Rehab, currently ranked as the 14th best DJ in the world, will bring his electrifying EDM sets to the festival. The Cherry Blossom Festival has grown to become a major event in Northeast India, attracting visitors from across the country and internationally with its theme, The Year of Legends. The 2024 edition promises to be an unforgettable celebration of music, culture and community in the picturesque setting of Shillong. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Minken Christian Higher Secondary School Meghalaya stunned defending champions Government Model Senior Secondary School Sector 37B Chandigarh by 1-0, courtesy of a goal scored by Bengansan in a Group F match of the 63rd Subroto Cup Junior Boys International Football Tournament, which was played at the Ambedkar Stadium. In the other group stage matches, Mamta Modern School New Delhi registered their first win of the tournament with a comfortable by 4-1 victory over Tidal Bisco School Srinagar, which was played at the Tejas football ground. Sri Lanka Schools Football Association also started their campaign with a 2-1 victory over Numaligarh Higher Secondary School Assam. Bangladesh Krida Shiksha Protestant scored 11 goals in the second match, running as they secured their second straight win of the tournament. Ramsa High School Mizoram, TZ English School Bisnupur, Amenity Public School Uttarakhand, Guru Gobind Singh Sports College, Lucknow and Chowbaga High School West Bengal secured their second consecutive victories in the tournament. Day 2 saw 87 goals being scored in the 16 matches held at Ambedkar Stadium, Tejas Football Ground, ZD Goenka World School and KIIT Global School. Day 3 will also see 16 matches played at all 4 venues in Delhi and NCR. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Chief Minister N. Biren condemns dropping bombs on civilian population and security forces by using drones, terms it a cowardly act and an act of terrorism. Manipur Police Department constitutes high-level committee following the attack carried out by suspected Kuki militants by deploying RPGs using drones. And State has requested expertise of Delhi-based agencies including NSG to address emerging security challenge, informs Manipur DGP Rajiv Singh during his visit to drone attack sites. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching ICE News and good night.